Greetings to all. Hello students, I welcome you all to the online class. Here I will teach you the class 6 unit 3 term 1. The name of the lesson, A Visitor from Distant Lands. Already you learned the lesson. Today we are going to see the book bag exercise. Students, page number 142, Roman E. Listen, add or, er or to get the name of the person who does the activity. Take turns in class to make sentences with the words you have formed. Students, already they gave the suffix form and root words. You add the words, then make complete the words. A teacher is a person who teaches. Teach plus er teacher. Use plus or user. Buy buyer. Sail sailor. Watch watcher. Operate operator. Foreign foreigner. Bake baker. Write writer. Govern governor. Act actor. Okay children, now add or words only. Now add or words only. Listen. First one, use plus or user. Use plus or user. Next, bake plus or baker. Bake plus or baker. Write plus or writer. Write plus or writer. There are three words, add or only. Okay, next add er words. Students, listen. Buy plus er buyer. Watch plus er watcher. Foreign plus er foreigner. So again one time. Buyer, watcher, foreigner. Add or words. Operate plus or operator. You cancel e, then add o. OPERATOR operator. Sail plus OR sailor. Govern plus OR governor. Act plus OR actor. There are 4 words. Totally, students, they given 10 words. First one, user, baker, writer. Add or only. Then next, buyer, foreigner, watcher. Add er words. Next, sailor, operator, actor, governor. Roman F. Complete this table with the help of the given example. Example, Portugal is the name of the country. People from Portugal are called the Portuguese. Students, left side country, right side nationality. The first one, Portugal, Portuguese. Second one, France, French. China, Chinese. America, American. Sri Lanka, Sri Lankan. Spain, Spaniard. Burma, Burmese. India, Indian. Thailand. Again one time. Portugal, Portuguese. France, French. China, Chinese. America, American. Sri Lanka, Sri Lankan. Spain, Spaniard. Burma, Burmese. India, Indian. Thailand, Thai. These are country and nationality. Again, shall we move to the exercise G? Listen to some interesting facts about spices and choose the best option. First question, red peppers have dash. Options, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D. The correct answer, vitamin C. Red chili is also called as paprika, carica, pyrus. The correct answer, paprika. 1 pound is equal to dash grams. 480, 450, 500. Answer, 450. Mint leaves helps to cure dash, upset stomach. Again one time listen. Red peppers have vitamin C. Red chili is also called as paprika. 1 pound is equal to dash grams. 450 grams. Mint leaves help to cure dash, upset stomach. Next exercise, work in pairs, take turns and speak about spices. Here 2 characters, Sarita and Divya. Hi Divya, how are you? Divya. Hi, I am fine, Sarita. Sarita asked question, what did you have for breakfast? Divya, dosa with onion chutney. Sarita, do you know where onions come from? Sarita asked question to Divya. Yes, I guess it is from Central Asia. Do you know chili too has come from somewhere else? Is it from South America? Sarita again question asked. Yes, you are right. Divya replied the answer. Many of the vegetables came from other countries. Yes, students, we are learned this lesson. Many of the vegetables came from other countries. Okay, children, shall we move to the next exercise? Page number 144. Use 2 or 3 words from the box to describe each picture. Listen. The picture, first one, chilli. Second one, ball. Third one, cat. Next, table. Fourth one, house. Next, tiger. Next, boy, chilies, mountains and kangaroo. Okay, children, now describe the words. Make 2 or 3 words. First one, red hot chili. First one, red hot chili. Next, snowball. Next, black little cat. Round wooden table. 2 windows house. Tiger with cute cubs, because they have cubs. So, tiger with cute cubs. Little within a book boy. Little within a book boy. 3 chilies. The describing words 3. Tall icy mountains. Tall icy mountains. The last one, long tail kangaroo. Long tail kangaroo. Students, use 2 or 3 words from the box and describe each picture. Okay, children? Again one time. Red hot chili, snowball, black little cat, round wooden table, 2 windows house, tiger with cute cubs, little with a book boy, 3 chilies, tall icy mountains, long tail kangaroo. Okay, children, I hope you understand this exercise. Next, page number 145, exercise I. Correct the order of the words in bold and write them in the blanks. Students, they are shuffled the words in bold letter. We are arranged the correct order. Green little the chili. Is it correct order? No, they are wrong. So we make it the correct order. The little green chili was very hot. What is the correct answer? The little green chili was very hot. Many brave sailors. Many brave sailors. They given sailors many brave. The correct order, many brave sailors. Brown dog, the big. The correct answer, the big brown dog. The big brown dog. The spice, most common. The most common spice. The path, much long. The long mud path. Okay, children, again one time. Listen carefully. The little green chili was very hot. Many brave sailors tried to find a sea route to India. The big brown dog barked at the children. The most common spice used today is the red chili pepper. Fifth one, the path mud long. The correct answer, the long mud bath. Okay, exercise K. How do you cook rice in your house? Fill in the gaps in the recipe for cooking rice. Use the words in the box. Wash, boil, water, heat, keep, rice, lid, low, water, more, ready. Okay, how to make it? The first one, wash the rice until the water runs clear. Second one, drain the water and keep aside. Drain the water and keep aside. Third one, in a medium size pan, bring water to boil. Listen, Wash the rice until water runs clear. Drain the water and keep aside in a medium sized pan. Bring water to boil. Fourth one, add the salt, stir, and then add the rinsed and drained rice. Fifth one, reduce the heat, cover the rice and let it simmer on dash heat for 20 minutes, low heat for 20 minutes. Check after 15 minutes to see if all the water has evaporated. If it has, the rice is ready. If not, replace the lid and let the rice simmer for 5 more minutes. Next, remove from dash and serve. Remove from pan and serve. Students, again one time, add the salt, stir and the rinse and drained rice. Reduce the heat, cover the rice and let it simmer on low heat for 20 minutes. Check after 15 minutes to see if all the water evaporated. If it has, the rice is ready. If not, replace the lid and let the rice simmer for 5 more minutes. Remove from dash and serve. Remove from pan and serve. This is the cooking method. Okay children, I hope you understand all the exercise. Thank you.